Yo, what it is, man? Good morning, you guys, man. It's Friday, September 20th, 2024, bro. I not so long ago just got my daughter on the school bus. I'm gonna go ahead and get me some more decent workout in, and then I will probably be going to take a fucking cold plunge. Look how beautiful this fucking pool is. It looks so peaceful out there, bro. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this pool and hop on these damn charts. But before I even do that, bro, if you guys have not watched my last YouTube video, go ahead and click the link in the top right corner of the screen. I'm also put the link in the bottom of my description. Bro, my last YouTube video, I was telling y'all guys some real shit. I'm telling you guys certain shit that I don't gotta tell nobody. I'm telling y'all this because I know there's people that's trying to learn how to trade and they wanna be able to watch and follow someone and find someone that they can pretty much relate to. Me being very vulnerable and telling y'all struggles when it comes to prop firm challenges that y'all actually probably don't even know. But I'm telling you guys this because I'm being real as fuck. I have nothing to hide. One thing about me, bro, is that I have to document my trading journey. I chose to document my trading journey and show you guys the struggles, the real struggles that gurus and fucking millionaires are not out here telling you guys that traders go through when it comes to doing prop firm challenges. Bro, in the comment section, bro, I did get a lot of good feedback. I also got some bullshit feedback. Like one motherfucker was like, bro, you don't know how to trade. Like, what the fuck? I can actually run up some live money. I just cannot run up a prop firm challenge properly because I cannot be disciplined with prop firm challenges. So if you guys just think overall I just can't trade, just put it in the comment section. And mind you guys, I do take constructive criticism. But if you come into the comment section and you bash me and you talk shit, I will disrespect the fuck out of you and your family. So that being said, man, if you guys have not watched that video, I should just go ahead and just tap in the link in the top right corner of the screen once again, or the bottom of the description. I have been very vulnerable with you guys. So yeah, man, that being said, man, my goal today is to be able to catch a nice trade setup. The only pairs that I trade is AU, NAS 100, gold, and fucking oil. I love to trade oil. I don't know if you guys can watch it, but oil been throwing some clean ass setups. But yeah, man, that being said, I'm about to get me a decent workout in, maybe a good like 45, 30-minute workout in. And then I might go take a nice pool dive. And then after that, the goal is to be able to go ahead and get me a nice trade setup, do a nice live trade setup. I was also thinking about doing live stream on YouTube, but more likely I'm not gonna do that. And then some other things I gotta do throughout the day. But yeah, that being said, man, I hope you guys like the video. If you guys do, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment down below. I would really appreciate it. It will for sure help out with YouTube algorithm. I don't ask for much. Yeah, so that being said, I'm gonna see you guys after I'm done with the gym, man. Let's get it, you dig? All right, you guys, it's another morning. Got me a decent workout in, ate me some breakfast, and now you guys already know what time it is, man. Hopefully we'll be able to catch a trade set up this morning. The platform I will be trading on is HANKOTRADE by HANKOTRADE. I do have numbers covered on here because there are people, like I always said, there are people that follow me on YouTube, on Instagram, that has post notifications turned on, that know me in real life, and I don't want to have to deal with the shit of people reaching out to me asking me, can they get this, can they get that? I don't want to put myself in that position, so I am covering up numbers. That is the only reason why. I'm not a fucking scammer. So that being said, hopefully we'll be able to catch a trade set up on this morning. So boom, out the gate, let me see. This is 1 hour. I want to see if price is inside of any 1 hour major time frame. So I'm gonna start with AU. At AUDUSD, I do see that price is at like more or less a resistance zone up in here. Price is acting more or less as a resistance up in this zone right here. So I won't be surprised if price strongly respected, but at the same time I have to be very considerate that price is also treating this area down here as if it's a support. So once price break under this area and retest it, I'll be looking for a 5-minute opportunity to sell. But as for AU, that's all I see. On NAS 100 on the 1 hour time frame, don't really see much of anything. I noticed that price is getting ready to go back to is it back at all-time highs? No, it's not. But price been very, very bullish. Yesterday, price is very bullish yesterday. So I won't be surprised if today price continue to go up to the upside. Let me go to the 15-minute, see anything going on the 15-minute. Okay, I do see that there's a market structure shift up in this area right here. So we do have a demand right here on NAS100 because we are very bullish still. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark up this area right here as a 5-minute demand. 5-minute demand right here. It's currently 9:30. It's the open. I'm gonna go ahead and put this here just in case price do come back down here. Probably focus on more or less a 3-to-1 risk reward if price comes back down to this demand zone with this ETs. All right, I'm gonna set alert here just in case price do decide to come back down here. I'm gonna set alert. This is AUD USD. This is what I have marked up. I'm gonna also go here and put my chart here on NAS100 as well. That way I don't be able to. That way I don't miss this trade. Go ahead and mark this up here. This is a 15-minute. I'm at the 5-minute. This here would actually been a valid buy because price missed it by less than 1 pip. So that would have been a valid buy. So it might not come back down here. US 30. We're completely bearish. US 30 just already fell out the fucking sky. 15-minute time frame. All right, what I can do is mark up this 15-minute demand down here on US 30, and if price come down here, we can possibly get a buy. I'm gonna set an alert here as well with gold. Gold is all right. See, gold is something I already see right now. Gold has a nice demand right now. If price break this wick up here, I can enter and go for a possible 2-to-1. All right, the next candle print on the 5-minute is in like 2 minutes and 15 seconds. So if price come back here, I can be able to get an entry in and go for a possible 2-to-1 here. And last but not least is oil on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, oil, you see that we're very bullish. We do have this area of demand that's right here. Very clean area of demand. And probably want to look for a small time frame buy opportunity here with oil. You go for a very high probability risk reward on this trade here. I think oil may be the buy I'll take. All right, this push broke these highs because you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and make out the market structure right here. All right, price created a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This high broke this high, and almost broke this. No, it did break this high. And there's a pullback. Price may possibly get ready to rally on oil. So this is what I see on oil. I would want to wait for more confirmation to even enter this trade. Maybe like on the 15-minute. All right, maybe like on the 15-minute. If price come back up in here, I can possibly get a buy on oil. Possibly. We'll see. So this is all I see as of right now this morning. So let's just wait and see what happens. You see AU, like I did say that AU had a support right here and had a higher time frame resistance. Price may break, give a retest to get ready to fall. You see it already broke this area. You want to see that price closes up under this area, and this may also be a breaker. This may also be a breaker block right here. It's also resistance. After it breaks and close, it can also be a resistance. This can be a breaker block. Why did this say Canon EOS Rebel? That's not even the fucking camera that I use. What the fuck they talking about? That's very weird, but it is what it is. All right, gold also had this 5-minute down here. It's more or less a 5-minute demand. We have not broken this low. Once we broke this low, we no longer bullish. We're bearish. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this buy on gold. I'm gonna take this buy on gold. Go for a possible 3-to-1 right here. Yeah, I'm gonna take this buy on gold. All right. Whatever it is. I'm gonna go ahead and just enter this trade right now. Just enter this buy on gold. Very, very clean opportunity. Went straight into profit, as you guys can see. Screenshot this. Go ahead and share it in Discord. I'll just enter this trade. I'm gonna also share this so that other people can see that it's a live account that I'm trading. I'm gonna have my stop loss. I'm gonna have my TP up here, and I'm gonna have my stop loss.
stop loss down here. I love the fact that HANKOTRADE, you can now just move your TP and move your stop loss. That's pretty cool. I love the fact that they listen to everyone with the complaints that you cannot even see where you enter the trade at and where's your TP and where's your stop loss. I love the fact that they actually implemented this on their trading platform. So if you guys want to join HANKOTRADE, the link is in the bottom of my description. Also, my Discord community is 100% free. The link is in the bottom of my description. All right, the reason I mainly enter this trade is because we have here a break of structure right here. This break of structure was called because of this big push. This big push created the break of structure. Also on the 15-minute here, you can see cleaner how nice this shit looks. You have a break of structure here. This high was broken because of this push. And up here, this is a future break of structure. And we are definitely in a strong uptrend, you guys can see. I see this is just a pullback for price to go to an area of interest. And the first area of interest is this 5-minute, 15-minute demand zone. And you guys see that I entered aggressively. If you want to enter more passively, you have to wait for a candle break, even as a body break or a wick break. But I'm pretty much confident in this trade. As you guys see, when I entered the trade, it went straight into profit. So hopefully we be able to catch a nice possible 3-to-1 on this trade. We might catch a 3-to-1. While this is playing out, I'm gonna go ahead and look at the other pairs that I did called out, marked up. So like I did say, AUD USD did break this area. It did broke on a small time frame, on a 5-minute time frame. It did give a break and retest of this breaker block. And what could have been an entry was here. You could have entered here, had your stop loss here, and go for like a 2-to-1, 3-to-1 risk reward. Also, let me see NAS on NAS 100. If I would have been able to place a trade before 9 o'clock, I probably would not have let this trade leave me. I would have entered this trade really close to here. But then I would have anticipated that price would have came more inside this 5-minute demand and then shot up. But it is what it is. On US 30, US 30 do have a 5-minute supply. This 5-minute supply right here. I would have entered this trade. I can't enter it now because I'm already inside of a trade. It's only one trade a day to place. I would have entered right here. My stop loss would have been here. And because this was the low already, I would have definitely targeted this area right here and would have caught nearly 4-to-1 risk reward. Almost a 4-to-1 risk reward right here. On gold is playing around straight drawdown. And with oil is definitely respecting this demand that I was just talking to you guys about. This was an hour time frame demand. This hour demand price is really holding on very strongly on this hour time frame. I do think that oil is going to get ready to rocket. I did say that was market structure right here. This big push broke these highs. We got to pull back. We still have not broken this low. We have not broken this low. So this trade is pretty much valid. If I was on the aggressive side of trading, obviously I would have entered right now, had my stop loss here or even here, because this was the last low before this big push that broke structure over here. Had my stop loss there, and I would have took price all the way up. On the 30-minute time frame, you guys can see this is the last high. So I would have went on ahead and just took trade all the way here. That would have been my TP. That I've been damn near almost like a 9-to-1 risk reward right here. All right, we in deep drawdown with oil, with gold. Deep boy drawdown. We're down 286. Hey, real quick, if you guys think that this trade is gonna come back and redeem me, let me know in the comment section, bro. If you guys think it's gonna stump me out, let me know in the comment section. You guys can be completely honest, bro. Also, if you guys think I did very well when it comes to risk management, I can't say risk management because you guys don't know the balance, and I'm hiding the balance because there's a lot of people that know me in real life. I don't want them to know exactly like how much capital I'm actually dealing with. So to be safe, I have my numbers blocked off. So you guys think this trade is gonna hit my TP or go back in profit? Put in the comments. If you guys think it's gonna just stump me out, put in the comments. You guys can be completely honest. I would love, it would give me more confluence if price break this 5-minute candle, because it would have gave me a 5-minute candle break entry if I was to enter more on the passive side. So let's just see what happens, man. We was all the way down negative 320. So let's just see what happens. All right, right here, that would have been a 5-minute candle break entry for people that enter trades like more passively. That would have been a candle break entry. But man, still, we in drawdown still, 150. So still, we just gotta watch the trade. I'm not gonna enter no more positions. I'm just accepting my risk and accepting my take profit. All right, I just got an alert from NAS 100. Let me look at it real quick. It's probably not gonna hold. Yeah, I figured that, because like, why would it do this? It broke structure and now it comes all the way back down here. Yeah. But there is a 5-minute demand that's right here. There's a 5-minute demand. I may mark it up on the 15-minute. Nah, 5-minute. There's a 5-minute demand right here on NAS 100. I'm not gonna take it. Like I said, I've already gotten to another trade, but I would have entered right here. I would have had my stop loss. I would have given it a little bit of room, and I would have targeted this high all the way up here. I'm curious to see what's gonna happen with this trade. Just curious. Like I said, I'm already in a trade, so I'm not gonna be placing no other trades. Oil, yeah, oil's gone. I thought oil would actually hold this demand, but oil did not hold this demand. Gold is holding up pretty well now. Come on, buyers, let's go, man. We down 50. Looks like some type of 10 o'clock volume is coming to the market. Let me just make sure there's no news. I did share news earlier. You're gonna have this right here. Yeah, shit sucks. I don't like this. I don't like this at all, because now, like on the 5-minute, there's a 5-minute structure that I'm not feeling. I was hoping that we break this high. If we would broke this high, I feel a lot more secure. But this is why we got a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high. We still have not broke this high. This is what I want. I really was hoping that we broke this high right here. If we broke this high, would have broke it, we probably would have got a minor pullback, and price would have just probably took off. Because now we have this, price can actually be able to it could just tank, because at the end of the day, there's 5-minute structure right here. That is bearish, 5-minute bearish structure. Lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It can possibly create a lower low and then stump me out. That can definitely happen. It can happen. So if it happens, I'm to not be surprised, because at the 5-minute time frame, there's 5-minute structure. Let me see what's on with NAS. All right, NAS is liquidated this zone right here. Yeah, I don't want to look at this shit no more. After I'm done looking at the pair for the day, I just remove it off my watch list. So NAS is done for the day. I'm not looking at it no more. US is over with. AUD USD is done. Oil is grits. Oil's done. We're only focusing now on fucking this shit, this piece of shit right here. My stop loss is literally right here. It almost stumped me out too. That shit almost stopped me out. Almost stopped me out by maybe less than the pip. By less than the pip, it almost stumped me out. Price came all the way down there. All the way down there. My stop loss is literally there. Nice push. Let's go. Come from almost stumped me out, bro, to now being up $50 in this trade. We up 100 in this trade. Let's go. Wife, you had to pass by, you did. Wife had to pass by, you did. So real quick, I want to tell you guys my plan for next week. Next week, I am planning on doing a prop firm challenge. I will be trading my prop firm challenge and my live account too. I will make sure and be considerate of like not sticking to my trading plan like I told you guys on my last video. If you guys have not watched that video, it's in the bottom of the description. Just watch the previous video. I did explain my struggles when it comes to trading prop firm challenges, not my live account. when it comes to trading prop firm challenges, I end up not taking prop firm challenges as seriously as I should. So next week I will be starting a series of trading my prop firm challenge in my live account, and you guys are actually going to be able to see every single trade that I do place. You guys are going to be seeing every trade that I place. So you guys want to probably go ahead and turn on post notifications to be notified when I do start the challenge on next week, man. It will be lit. Trust me, it's gonna be lit. And another thing, real quick, one more thing. If you guys have not tagged in on my Instagram page, the link to my Instagram is in the bottom. The link to my Facebook is in the bottom. If you guys want to email me, my email is in the bottom of the description. Business related only. Only message me, email, business related. On Instagram, that's just a place I do share my personal life. Every now and then I do share my trades there. I do share my thought process, my everyday life. I do share it on my Instagram. I have not been active for the past couple days, and that's okay. We at 150. Let's go. I love that push. All right, so now I'm in a place where it would have made sense for me to make this trade to become a loser trade. So you see how big this fucking candlestick is? If this candlestick breaks this candlestick high, I will be moving my stop loss where I entered. Because if anything, it comes up, if there's no more imbalance, it would have come all the way back down. That means it would have been a huge wick. So as of right now, my trade is now risk-free. I don't want to take a loss on this trade at all. It would have made no sense. I'm better off walking away with nothing than to walk away like having a winning trade to become a loser trade. So I want to make sure I'm actually able to secure my fucking capital. I got to make sure I secure my capital, and everything else, let the winners run. So yeah, I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen right here now. Hey, so real quick, I want to throw you guys this nugget. Check out these trading keychains, bro. My guy got these trading keychains, bro. I'm gonna have his Instagram link in the bottom of my description. I can't lie, but these things are pretty unique, very high quality, and it's pretty thick. I think it's pretty cute, bro. No Diddy. So yeah, if you guys want one of these things, man, tap in with my guy Instagram link in the bottom of my description, bro. He has these badass keychains, man. I really fuck with this. You did. Back to the charts. You see, this the bull fucking shit I was talking about, bro. Like, price is literally just starting to wick from this area. Come on now. Come on, bitch. Look at the market structure to the upside. Nice push, bro. We up 350, man. 376, 380. I ain't gonna lie. I get at 300. I'm closing. I don't give a fuck. I'm closing. I don't want to be sitting this trade all day. And back to the question. If you guys think I'm gonna just go ahead and close it at 300, if it's gonna come to 300 and close me out, let me know in the comment section. If you guys think it's gonna go to my TP, let me know in the comment section. Let's get it. You guys trade today, man? What pairs did you guys trade this afternoon or this morning? This is the only trade that I did place, the only trade I'm gonna place. Not placing no other trade today. I just really have to next week really lock in and be extremely disciplined with my prop firm challenge next week. I really have to, because if not, I'm never going to experience what it feels like to get a payout. Also, if you guys want to follow my wife's YouTube channel, her link is in the bottom of my description. My wife been documenting her journey. She's not so long ago received her first payout with a prop firm, and now she's currently doing another prop firm. So yeah, if you guys want to follow her journey, her link is in the bottom of the description, and her Instagram is in the bottom of the description as well. Also, when this trade get at 4 flat, I might just close it, because this shit is taking forever, bro. It gets at 400, I'ma close. I'm closing. I'm done. That's it. We're finished. We're done. We're done. Just close out the trade. Damn, that was nice. That was a nice win. I realized the reason I closed the trade is because if you look at 5 minute, right, the candlesticks are getting smaller. If you got this big bearish, you got this big bullish engulfing candle, right? Why is price acting like this? Like if you got a big bullish engulfing candle, you can put one candle that's a down candle, but then the next candle will probably be a big candle. But no, I'm not liking this. So I just went on ahead and just closed the trade. And I'm just gonna accept the win. I'll be done. I'm back in the market next week. Today is Friday, September 20th. It is currently 10:44 a.m. EST. So if you guys like the video, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to join my Discord community where I do trade and share all my trade setups, the Discord link is in the bottom of my description. Like I did say, my Discord is 100% free. Also, the platform I do trade on is HANKOTRADE by HANKOTRADE. So if you guys want to join HANKOTRADE, the link is in the bottom of my description. Yeah, man, so that'll be it for this video, man. Until next week, bro. Next week we're gonna have a banger, bro. Next week we're gonna have a banger, man. So yeah, man, so that'll be it for this video, man. Yeah, deuces.